In this lesson, we will understand what are AI agents. With that, we will also see the components of AI agents. So let us start. An AI agent is a system designed to act autonomously, capable of completing tasks and achieving goals without constant human direction. Unlike traditional models that only respond to single prompts, AI agents can design their own workflows, select and use the right tools, and adapt to changing circumstances. At the heart of an AI agent lies a large language model functioning as its brain. This enables the agent to reason, plan, learn, and make informed decisions, turning raw instructions into intelligent, goal-driven actions. Now let us see the components of AI agents. An AI agent is built from multiple interconnected modules, each playing a critical role in enabling intelligent behavior. So these are the four components, beginning with planning module. It breaks down complex goals into manageable tasks, arranging them in a logical sequence to ensure efficient execution. The second one is memory module. It preserves context by storing information across interactions. It blends short-term memory with long-term memory. Here short-term memory means recent exchanges, whereas long-term memory includes accumulated knowledge and experiences. That is past knowledge and experiences. The third one is tool. It connects seamlessly with external tools, APIs and software systems to perform actions such as retrieving data, automating workflows or querying databases. The last one is learning and reflection. It embeds feedback mechanisms that allow the agent to evaluate its performance, learn from mistakes and continuously improve over time. So in this lesson we saw what are AI agents and what are its components.